Hi guys!
How are you?
I am fine.
Alright, so let's continue our learning. Today we are going to start new lesson, Oceans in with loops. So let's start the first level, which is intro video. So let's watch the video.
These are your draw blocks. Use the correct one to move the artist where he needs to go to fill in the gray lines. These are jump blocks.
Let's
When you
continue to the
use
next
these,
level.
your artist
So here is the next level. We need to help artists to move here and there by using the blocks.
I'm going to east,
East,
north,
north,
west,
west,
south.
south. Okay. Alright. So we finished the level. Let's continue to the next one. So here is the next level. We need to help artists to draw two lines to move forward. Can you help?
I'm going to take east block
Okay.
and again east block. Another one.
Alright, so we finished the level. So let's continue to the next one. So here is the next level. We need to draw, I think, 5 lines to help artists to move forward.
One east,
One east,
two east,
two east.
three east,
Okay.
four east, five east. Round
Next.
about. Yeah, the puzzle is complete.
Okay, so let's continue to the next one. So here is the next level. There is an intro video. So let's watch the video.
This is a repeat block. It will let you loop the code inside as many times as you tell it to. To a computer, code that you write like this looks just like
Let's
code that
continue
you
to the
write
next
like
one.
This.
So here is the next level. We need to help artists to move forward. So we can use repeat block here.
I'm going to keep it block.
Okay.
Five times
Okay, 5 times.
east and the ball.
Alright, so we completed the puzzle. So let's continue to the next level. So here is the next level.
Draw a line 7 steps long. This will become our horizon.
I'm going to keep it block.
Okay.
East. I'm going to do it 7 times.
Alright, so we finished the level. So let's continue to the next one. So here is the next level. I think we need to draw the hill by using the blocks.
Northeast,
Yeah, N is northeast,
southeast.
southeast. Okay.
And the ball. Yay! The puzzle is complete.
Wow, so we created the hill by using the block. So let's continue to the next level. So here is the next level. We need to use the repeat block and create the number of hills.
I'm going to keep it block.
Mm-hmm.
Northeast,
Mm-hmm.
south, southeast.
Okay.
3 times. Run the ball. Yeah, the puzzle is complete.
Okay, so let's continue to the next one. So here is the next level. We need to put the ladder, like we need to a ladder up to a boat. So let's see.
I'm gonna take clipboard block.
Okay.
east, jump, west.
How many times? So we need to use, how many times we need to repeat?
3 times. Yeah, the puzzle is complete.
Alright, so let's continue to the next level, which is a challenge puzzle, I think. So let's see. Are you ready for challenge?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So let's continue with the challenge. So here is the challenge.
Challenge. The stairs down to the dock are broken. Help me fix them.
I'm gonna take a big block.
Okay.
South,
East.
east, south. Five times. Run.
Alright, so we completed the challenge. Wow. Let's continue to the next level. So here is the next level.
Time to head back to land. Help me put down stones so I don't fall in.
I'm gonna take a big block.
Okay.
Four times.
Mm-hmm.
East, jump.
East. Yeah. Okay.
Turn the bubble. Yeah, the puzzle is complete.
Alright, so we finished the level. So let's continue to the next one. So here is the next level.
Help me build steps to watch the ship sail away.
I'm gonna take a big block.
Okay.
I'm gonna take north,
Mm-hmm.
east. Four times.
I think let's check how many times.
3 times. Turn the bubble. Yeah, the puzzle is complete.
Alright, so we finished the puzzle. So let's move to the next one, which is the last puzzle from this lesson. So let's continue. So here is the last level from this lesson.
The artist saw something funny in the distance. Draw what you think he saw.
I'm gonna take north,
Mm-hmm.
east,
East.
south,
Mm-hmm.
west.
Okay, you can even use more blocks.
East.
Okay. Alright, so we finished the lesson, ocean scene with loop. So
Yeah, the puzzle is complete.
alright, so we'll continue next time with the new lesson. So thank you very much.
Like and subscribe. Watch our videos. Don't forget to click bell icon.
If you haven't watched the videos, the links are given in the description. Do watch our videos. Thank you. Bye.